Okay, boys and girls, I will help you set up the tape diagrams for these first two problems. The problems say use tape diagram numbers and words to explain each answer. So I want you to get a tape diagram for each of these problems. And it says, each day Mrs. Smith walks her dogs in the neighborhood for 2 kilometers and then walks them in the dog park for 300 meters. In all, how much dog walking does Mrs. Smith do each day? So we want to say Mrs. Smith walks dogs, or her dog, I should say, blank each day. And we want to work on converting any of the larger measurements to smaller measurements, since that's our goal. So we have 2 kilometers. Let me go ahead and make a tape diagram to show. We know that she walks in the neighborhood and she walks at the dog park. In the neighborhood, she walks 2 kilometers. In the dog park, she walks 300 meters. Well, we can't have a mixed measurement here, so we need to convert the larger unit into a smaller unit. So 2 kilometers is the same as how many meters? Well, 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters, so 2 would be 2,000 meters. So I want to know, how much does she walk her dog altogether? Be 2,000 meters plus 300 meters. You guys need to do the math and fill in the blank. And make sure you label it meters. Problem 2 says Eric biked for 1 kilometer, 125 meters on Monday, and on Tuesday he did 375 meters less than Monday. How far did he bike on both days? So let's make our sentence. He biked blank on both days. And I'm going to use the smaller unit of measure, which is meters. And then I know my final answer should be Monday plus Tuesday should give me how much he biked in all. Monday we know was 1 kilometer, 125 meters. Tuesday we aren't sure of, so we have to figure it out because we just know it's less than Monday. So this is where my 2-part problem comes in handy. So I have a Monday tape diagram, and I want to change that to meters. So 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters, and we already have 125, so we have to add those together. 1,125 meters. I know that Tuesday is less than that, so I'm going to go ahead and say, what if they were the same? And I could draw a dotted line over the part that I'm going to cut off. Tuesday is less than that, and it's less by 375 meters. So I would be cutting off 375 meters to find out how much Tuesday would be. Well, if I know that I'm cutting something off, that means I would subtract. So 1,125 minus 375 equals, and if you use your calculator, that's great, 740 meters. So now I know Tuesday is 740 meters. So I can just fill in 740 for Tuesday. Now I need to add Monday and Tuesday in order to find out how many in all. I'm going to let you guys do that part. And I'm going to let you also try problem 3 on your own.